So hey guys, we are going to be doing an unboxing video today, right Diggles?
Yep.
So we've got this from Kenny and we're going to go and open it now.
So Kenny has sent this, I have no idea what's inside, so I'm going to open it. Ooh, that's so cute. Oh my god. We have some Reese's Popped Snack Mix. That's going to be cool. Oh, this is cute. I'm a hug. I like that.
It says, here's a holiday hug for you. Say you're loved the whole year through. It's really cute. Put that on our tree, I think.
It's very cute.
Look at that. That is really, really cool. We have to go there one day, right Diggles?
Definitely.
That's really cool, Kenny. Thank you so much. We're going to put this somewhere in our room. Can I just also say that I love bubble wrap? Oh yeah. If you guys feel me, the bubble wrap, but oh yeah.
Very satisfying.
Look at these. Me and Tig are really curious to try these. Reese's Pop Snack Mix, sweet and salty with Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Minis, Reese's Pieces Peanut Butter Candy Covered Peanuts, pretzels and chocolate drizzled popcorn. That sounds absolutely lush. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like inside. A new angle. Ooh, this looks like a peanut butter cup. So we're both going to try a little mini peanut butter cup.
Mmm.
I like that.
Really good.
America wins with its peanut butter.
Definitely.
They know what's going on. Pretzel time. There's a slight peanut butter twang, but I think that's just because it's been with the peanut butter things. But it's a nice pretzel, nice and salty.
Very tasty.
These are supposed to be Reese's Pieces peanut covered candy, right? Mmm, they are good.
Really tasty. They're so full.
Got the peanut there and the peanut butter flavour. It's really nice.
And a really crunchy, crispy shell. Very tasty.
Chocolate drizzled popcorn. Drizzle.
Ooh.
I like that.
It almost reminds me of butter toffee popcorn, but at the same time not quite.
Salty as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm still nibbling on them. These are really, really nice, Kenny. Thank you so much. So Tiggles, what was your favourite?
Okay, I think my favourite, the mini peanut butter cups.
I think my favourite are the crispy balls.
That's what I was thinking, but after eating one of those...
And the peanut butter candy covered peanuts, the best. But the Reese's Pieces cups are also fantastic. But to be fair, I'd happily just consume the whole box.
Definitely.
The Tig's even got our orange hat on. Match the Reese's Pieces
Yeah.
bag.
The only difference is my head isn't full of peanut butter, so...
And thank you so much, Kenny, for sending this to us. That's so kind of you. Really, really appreciate it. And we will send you something that we symbol
Definitely.
in the post. Maybe we can get some British crisps down your way. Don't know if you're much of a crisp person. You seem to be more of a kind of sweet kind of chocolate person. Maybe we can sway you with a bit of British crisps. Can't beat some Monster Munch, can you sing?
No, you can't.
Oh, be a Monster Munch. Oh yeah. So Kenny has a YouTube channel. I'll put a link down here in the description. But he does taste tests and he does film reviews. And he's a really funny guy. Really, really nice as well. So go check him out if you haven't already. So another day of Vlogmas is over. And we will see you guys tomorrow, I guess. Bye.
Bye.